Minister Vijay Rupani resigns. India records 33,376 new cases of COVID-19. CEO Rajesh Agarwal stresses ethical voting. And MSPDCL strike ends, sit-in protest to continue. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News at 6 p.m. This is LAKSMIBAI THANGJAM giving you the news in details. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani tendered his resignation to Governor Acharya Devratas on Saturday and said he is ready to take new responsibilities assigned to him by the party. The resignation is in accordance with the party's principle of providing all party workers an equal opportunity. Gujarat is slated to go to the polls in 2022. As Rupani went to meet the governor, he was accompanied by the Bharatiya Janata Party National General Secretary Nitin Patel, according to reports by local media outlets. Rupani spoke to media persons and announced his resignation without outlining any specific reason behind his decision. The BJP has not yet commented on his resignation. Thanking PM Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the people of the state for giving him the opportunity to add to the development of the state, Rupani said he is ready to take on any new role that the party deems fit for him. India recorded 33,376 new COVID-19 cases in 24 hours on Saturday. This is 4.6% lower than the Delhi case count of 34,973 cases recorded on Friday. There are 3,91,516 active cases in the country at present, which is 870 more than what was reported the previous day. Additionally, India reported 308 COVID-19 fatalities in 24 hours on Saturday, taking the total reported toll to 4,42,370. A total of 32,198 patients recovered from COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, bringing India's total recoveries to 3,23,74,497. India's recovery rate now stands at 97.49%. The weekly positivity rate in the country is 2.26%. It has been less than 3% for the last 78 days. The Delhi positivity rate is 2.10% currently. A total of 15,92,135 samples were tested for COVID in the last 24 hours. As Manipur has geared for the forthcoming 2022 State Assembly polls, Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur, Rajesh Agarwal, today appealed to the people of the state to come out and register for good participation in promoting ethical voting in the polls. In a message to the electorate, CEO Rajesh Agarwal also thanked the officials of different sectors who have been working day and night to conduct free and fair election in the state.
Manipur has always been on the forefront of conducting free and fair and a participative election years after. The Chief Electoral Officer's office is now getting completely geared up to conduct elections in the state. All my district election officers, AROs, AEROs, block level officers, the support from government departments, the state nodal officers for various areas, they are all now working day and night to see that we get prepared to conduct free and fair elections in the state.
The strike by employees of Manipur State Power Distribution Committee Limited (MSPDCL) has been called off following a meeting with Imphal West Deputy Commissioner JSC MSPDCL convener Takhelambam Syamnagor said today. He said they have called off the cease work strike as the Manipur government has assured them to fulfill the 7th pay demand. However, sit-in protest will take place for 10 days until the government assurance is translated into action, he told a press meet at Kaisampat Power House in Imphal.
करीबुम खरदी पीरे पीबसी अखोगी कनो कैबिनेट अखोगी एप्रूव तौबीरे हाइबगी सीएमक्ति अखोइदा लाक्सद्री एप्रूव तौरे हाइबगी दो अखोइदा येमहले अखोइ अथेंगबो अखोगी कनो गे अथेंगबो दियाल मयामसिगा अखोइ एम्प्लॉयीसिंग तौरिबा मयामसिगा अखोइ पुल्लगा अथेंगबो ता अखोइ मैदो अखोइ अथेंगबो ता हापतना खोतना अखोइ अयामबा दिन अखोइ इम्फाल सिटी अदे 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 जगह दसो दुम अखोइ मैसि फंगदे अदो अवाद दो ngasi अखोइ पिकअप तौरगा अखोइ ngalhanaba kanna बनजरी
एम्प्लॉयीसिंगा अखोगी जेसी मैकेनिक रिमाइंडर मसु अखोइना हाइजरी अदुगा अदुगी नुमित तरानी अखोई तांग कुन बाउसिदी अदुम मफम खुदिंगदा अखोई कस्टमर पावर हाउस दा अमदि मनिपुरी अतै मफम कयादा अखोई डिपार्टमेंट सिना पावर डिपार्टमेंट कोन मफम सिंगदा सिट इन प्रोटेस्ट अखोई एम्प्लॉयीसिना नमजबा लेवल दा अदुम एप्लॉयी सकनी अदुम खातना अखोई तबुम तोपा अखोई एफडी दगी वरो अमदगी वरो अखोई एफडी दगी क्लियरेंस हम लौना बसो अखोइना अदुगी मतेंग पांगना होनजगनी हाइबो हम थमजरी मतेंग पांगना होनजगनी.
A team of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR), led by its chairperson Furailatpam Manibabu Sarma, inspected the condition of JNV Visnupur and JNV Loktak today. The inspection visit comes in the event of school reopening by the government. Manibabu and the commission officials assured that shortages of all Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas will be put up before the Ministry of Human Resource Development and Navodaya Samiti. Manipur College has said it will render support to democratic forms of protest taken up by All Manipur Students Union (MSU) over the scholarship issue. This was informed through a press release by Social and Culture Secretary of Manipur College and Kiran Singh today. It mentioned that the MOVC scholarship amount meant for students from the minority and other backward classes has remained undecided for months. Student bodies have time and again appealed to the concerned department to release the scholarship amount regularly, but to no avail, the press release mentioned. Meanwhile, Waikom Mani Girls College and Maharaj Bodhichandra College, Imphal, have also extended support to MSU over the scholarship issue. Now we have a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Occasion singidamagta makhal kya gi cake haibadi photo cake layer cake brunch cake barbie cake fruit topping cake cupcakes in a chingba fongbigani amadi adomi apamba mongda cake customized tawbagi dum chabasu Kulung chabas singa silawi na bigidamagta lensing biro aikoi address NJ College Road near Nauramto. Phone number 98641119. Aikoi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web tagi order biba yai.
Kaidurino. Kanano. Kaigino. Kaidu. Masipumna. Noi lebidi gari ahan magat tong ngamdrone. Pura laga tongni khamiba namai di kaidro. Sembun bu thoga leibidi ngamdra. Sembun bu thoga leibi ngamdra su. Phal phelas tasara. Ai jo ahan ba leing ngamdra phal phelas tege loan oine lo.
Phal finance na loan manu bu gari loan lo ya ba to chama pijeri. Adom na pam na khali gari kurima lo bi be ya. Adom na pam na khali gari kurima.
Welcome back. After the break, Sagol Semjoni Meitei has been appointed as the working president of Manipur Youth Congress with immediate effect. In this regard, India Youth Congress President Srinivas VB has issued an order. Congress President Sonia Gandhi appointed N. Loken Singh as the president of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) yesterday. She also appointed Kaisam Megachandra Singh, Irangbam Hemochandra Singh, and D. Korungthang as the working presidents of MPCC. Sonia Gandhi also approved the formation of the executive committee of MPCC, which includes former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and former Deputy CM Gai Khangam. A large number of people from Wangjing Tenta Assembly constituencies polling 34/18 joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP today. Wangjing MLA Paunam Brojen welcomed them during a simple function. A road leading to Akampat PHC at Khongman Ward number 5/30 in Imphal East has been repaired under the guidance of Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh. The ward members, committee members and locals of the area thanked Biswajit for the road development work. Thongam Tomba, brother of Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh, today extended financial aid to the elders and unprivileged families of 5/11 Thongzu Assembly constituency. The help was given under the initiative of his brother Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh. Ward and committee members of the area took part in the aid distribution event. Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh today paid rich tribute to the great freedom fighter Bharat Ratna Acharya Vinoba Bhave, the leader of Bhutan and Sarvodaya movement, on his birth anniversary. Minister Thongam Biswajit extended his heartiest congratulations and best wishes to Param Pujya Sar Sangachalak Dr. Mohan Madhukar Bhagawat on his birthday. Bhagawat is the national thinker of the world's largest voluntary organization, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangha, RSS, and a guide and inspiration to many, Biswajit stated in a message. Solo walker Mutum Manikanta started tree plantation and awareness program yesterday during his first destination at Social Club Arabti Mamang Laikai. The solo walk by Manikanta was flagged off by MLA Karam Shyam yesterday. He is taking the solo walk on the theme No to Drugs and Green Environment. Social Club Arabti Mamang Laikai organized a reception program for Manikanta upon his arrival at Arabti Mamang Laikai. The locals and officials of the club assured Manikanta and We4U Foundation that they will nurture the saplings planted by Manikanta. The Foreign and Defense Ministerial talks are taking place amid renewed efforts by the Quad members countries to expand cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. Besides India and Australia, the Quad comprises the US and Japan. India and Australia began the high-level 2+2 Foreign and Defense Ministerial Dialogue in New Delhi on Saturday. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held the closed-door talks with their Australian counterparts Maurice Payne and Peter Dutton. The dialogue is aimed at further ramping up the overall defense and strategic cooperation between the two countries, including in the Indo-Pacific amid China's increasing military assertiveness in the region, according to a media report. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani resigns. India records 33,376 new cases of COVID-19. CEO Rajesh Agarwal stresses ethical voting. And MSPDCL strike ends, sit-in protest to continue. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.